Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 3 mid-level 2 grades assignment. Basically, this is the third chapter of Excel section of my IT Lab course. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or Access assignments, you can contact me on WhatsApp, email, or WeChat ID that I have mentioned in the description of this video. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics, statistics, and programming assignments. You can see that my WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please contact me either on WhatsApp or email and get help in your courses throughout your degree, and I will be producing A grade for you. So title of the assignment is Exp22 Excel chapter 3 ML2 grades. This is the newly introduced course Excel 2022 and we are supposed to do this assignment step by step in this video. So at start of the instruction you can see this project description. Please read this project description so that you can get an idea about the assignment. Basically, this project description has nothing to do with the assignment, but read it to get an idea about the assignment. Main part of the assignment is starting from this step 1, and total steps in this assignment are 21. So we are supposed to do these steps to complete this assignment. So let's move to step number 1 now. Start Excel. Download and open the file named Exp22 Excel chapter 3 mid-level 2 grades. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file. So we are supposed to download this Excel worksheet, and this is the Excel workbook where we are supposed to solve this assignment. We will apply all the instruction steps in this Excel workbook, and we will make this Excel workbook in the final form to submit for the grading. So step number 1 is just about downloading the Excel workbook. You can download this from your My IT Lab dashboard and your name will be added to the beginning of this file. So let's move to step number 2 now. A pie chart is an effective way to visually illustrate the percentage of the class that earned A, B, C, D, and F grades. Use the Insert tab to create a pie chart from the final grade distribution data located below the student data in the range F35 up to G39 and move the pie chart to its own sheet named distribution. So in step number 2, we are supposed to create a pie chart, and this pie chart will be based on the data range that is F5 up to G30, F35 up to G39, F35 up to G39. This is F35 and this is G39. This is the data that we are supposed to use to create this pie chart. Then we will move this pie chart to its own sheet and we will name the sheet distribution. So select this range. I have selected this one, F35 up to G39, and go to Insert tab, and this is the pie chart, this one. So I have created the pie chart, and now we are supposed to move this pie chart to its own sheet. Move the chart to a new sheet and we will name this sheet distribution. And you can see that I have moved the chart to its own sheet. That name is distribution. That is all about step number 2. Now let's do step number 3. You should enter a chart title to describe the purpose of the chart. You will customize the pie chart to focus on the particular slices. Apply the style 12 chart style. Then type accounting 200 final grades fall 2024 as the chart title. Then explode the A grade slice by 7%. Then change the F grade slice to dark red and remove the legend of the chart. So these are some formatting that we are supposed to do. So first apply the chart 12 chart style. So chart 12 chart style. Chart 9, chart 12. This is the chart 12 chart style. Select this one. Now type ACC, that is showing for the accounting. ACC 200 final grades for 2024. ACC final grades ACC 200 final grades for 2024. This is the chart title that we are supposed to add. Then explode A grade slice by 7%. So A grade slice by 7%. This is the A grade slice. And right click on it and click on the format data point. And we are supposed to explode this by 7%. Type 7 and click enter. And you can see that A grade slice has been exploded by 7%. Now change the F grade slice to dark red. This is the F grade slice. Right click on it and click format data point. Go to the fill option, solid fill, and we are supposed to make it dark red. And you can see that I have made the F grade slice to dark red, and then change. Okay, last one is remove the legend of the chart. So go to chart element and uncheck this legend. So chart legend has been removed from this. So that is all about step number 3. So we are done with third step. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 4. A best practice is to add all text for the accessibility compliance. Add all text. Most students earn B and C grade. Most students earn B and C grade, including the period, and we are supposed to add this text as the all text. So go to the chart again, right click outside the plot area and select this view all text. So a all text box will appear and we are supposed to type most students earn B and C grade. Most students earned B and C grades and a period at the end. So this is the all text that we are supposed to add in the chart. So close this one and all text will be automatically added to this chart. So that is all about step number 4. So we have completed 4 steps so far now. And now we're going to do next step, that is step number 5. You want to add data labels to include the category and percentage of the class that earned each letter grades. Add data labels in the inside and position. Select data labels option to display percentage and the category name. Remove the values data label. So now we are supposed to add the data labels to this chart, and the position for the data label should be inside and position. Select data labels option to display the percentage and the category name, and we are supposed to remove the values from the data labels. So go to the chart element and click the data labels, and we are supposed to show the data labels in the inside and position. Inside and position. This one. Now again go to the data labels and click on more options. Now we are supposed to add the percentage and the category name as the data labels. So we will check this category name and the percentage, and then we are supposed to remove the values data labels. So we will simply uncheck the value box. So only category, that is ABCD, and the percentage is given for this data label, and this is all required in step number 5. Now let's move to next step, that is step number 6. Step number 6 is apply 18-point size and apply black text font color to the data labels. So now we are supposed to change the size of the data labels to 18 point, and also we are supposed to change the color of the data labels, that should be black text font. So data labels are already selected, and we are supposed to make this 18 point and black text font color. So now you can easily read the data labels category and the percentages for those categories. Like F is 8%, A is 11%, B is 31%. So it is showing the data labels having category name and the percentages. So that is all about step number 6. So we have completed 6 steps of this assignment so far. So next step is step number 7 now. You want to create a bar chart to depict grade for a sample of the students in the class. Create a clustered bar chart using the range A5 up to D5 and A18 up to D23 in the grades worksheet. Move the bar chart to its own sheet named sample scores. So in step number 7, we are supposed to create a clustered bar chart. And for this clustered bar chart, there are 2 ranges given. First one is A5 up to D5 and the second one is A18 up to D23. We are supposed to use these 2 ranges to create a clustered bar chart, and then we will move this cluster bar chart to its own sheet. Their name should be sample scores. So we will simply select these 2 ranges in the worksheet. We will go to the grade worksheet and will select these 2 ranges. So first range I have selected. Now the second range is A18 up to D23. So press and hold the control button and select A18 up to D23. A18 up to D23. So I have selected both ranges, and now we are supposed to insert or create a clustered bar chart. So click on the insert tab and click on the recommended chart. Stacked column, clustered bar chart. So this is the chart that we are supposed to create in this step. First one is showing clustered column, then stacked column, and then the clustered bar. So simply select this and insert this chart. And at the end, we are supposed to move this chart to its own sheet. That name should be sample scores. So select the chart and click on move chart and select new sheet, and we will give the name sample scores to this new sheet. So we have created a clustered bar chart and we have moved the chart to its own sheet. That name is sample scores. So that is all about step number 7. So we are done with 7 steps so far. Total steps in this assignment are 20. And now I am going to do step number 8. Customize the bar chart with these specification. Chart 5 style, legend on the right side in 11-point font size, light gradient xn2 fill color to the plot area. So these are some formatting of the chart that we are supposed to do. So at start we are supposed to apply the chart 5 style. So this is the chart 5 style. Select this one. And now legend on the right side in the 11-point font size. So go to the chart element and select the legend, and it should be on right side. So we will select the right side. So you can see the legend on right side of the chart. So, and last thing to do is, we are supposed to change the font size to 11 point. So legend should be 11 points. So I have changed the font size for the legend. And last thing to do is we are supposed to apply light gradient xn2 fill color to the plot area. So click on it, right click on it and select the format plot area, gradient fill and light gradient xn2. So this is the fill required for this plot area. So that is all about step number 8. So we have completed 8 steps for this assignment now. And next thing to do is step number 9. That is, we are supposed to add the chart title. And the chart title should be sample student test scores for the chart title. Sample student test score. Sample students test scores. So this is the chart title required in step number 9. So next step to do is step number 10. Display the exact score would help clarify the data in the chart. Add data labels in the outside and position for all data series. Format the final exam data series with blue-gray text to fill color. So first we are supposed to add the data labels to the outside and position of this chart. Then we are supposed to format the final grade data point. So first add the data labels to the outside and position. So go to the chart element and go to the data labels and select outside and position. So now you can see the data labels to the outside and position of these data series. Now final exam is the gray one, this one. And we will select and we will click on the format data series, and we are supposed to change the fill color to the blue-gray text to blue-gray text to this one. That is required in step number 10. So I have changed the color of the final exam to blue, gray, text to fill color. So I have solved 10 steps in this video. I solved each and every single thing in this video. So you can complete those 10 steps by watching my video, and now I am going to show you the final version for this assignment so that you can get an idea about the remaining 9 steps. But if you want me to do this assignment, or if you want me to complete this assignment for you, or if you want me to complete this course for you, including Excel assignment, Word assignments, or PowerPoint assignments, my WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp or email. So let me show you the final version for this assignment now. So this is the final version for this assignment. When you will apply all the steps, then you will get the final version like this. So distribution sheet, sample score sheet, and the grade sheet is this one. So this is the final version for this assignment, and you will apply the remaining steps and you will get a final version like this. So I have done this assignment hundreds of the time for my students, and you can also hire me to do this complete course for you. My WhatsApp and email is showing. So contact me either through WhatsApp or email and get help in this course. All assignment will be done including Excel, Word, PowerPoint, or Access. You can help me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, or writing assignments, mathematics, statistics, etc. I request you to subscribe to my channel and like my video. And if you have any question, please leave a message. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video. Thank you so much again.